Hi, I'm Scott, and today we're going to unbox and assemble these stools on Dad It Yourself. Alright, so hey, Mom It Yourself picked up these Satori saddle counter stools on Amazon. They're made by Winsome, and they're made in Thailand, but like I said, she got them on Amazon. We're going to unbox this, we're going to put it together, and we're going to check them out and see what we can do with them. Here we go. Instructions. It's like the hardware bag. Got, looks like 4 of the long ones and 8 of the short ones. Some washers. Allen wrench, free tool, and some wood plugs. The seat. Safety first. Do not remove sticker. Or the FBI police, when they're busy not checking out mattresses, they can come and see that I've removed this sticker or not. For your safety, read carefully, use this product responsibly with primary concern for your safety. It's a bar stool, people. It's a bar stool. Cross member. Two legs, red dots. This is going to come in handy in a minute, okay? Another cross member. Two more legs. No dots. Cross member. And the last cross member. Let's get this trash out of the way. Right, so remember I talked about that red dot earlier? Red dot. If you'll notice on the seat, there's a red dot here, no red dot here, red dot here, and no red dot over here. It's important that you line up those red dots or the legs will not lay correctly. So let's lay this out so it's in the configuration according to the instructions. What was there? This one, last one, probably goes right there. Right here. Let's give you guys a better view here. How's that? All right. So the next step, cross member here, short cross member here, like that. So you take these short screws right there. We're going to hand tighten them in there. You can see that way over here. And I'll bring it up here like this. Where to put the tool. So it came with an Allen wrench. But what I did is I dug through my bin and I found one of these that I probably got from IKEA, and it gives me a little bit more leverage. Now, before I go any further, I'm going to say something. You're going to be tempted to use one of these. Do not, no. The fasteners are just not the quality that can handle a power tool, or especially an impact driver, and you will strip them out. Don't ask how I learned this, okay? But don't use a power tool. Use the Allen wrench that came with, or if you have one here. This one gives me a little bit more leverage based on its shape. So just put that in there, crank it around. Okay. Legs are done. Now, stand the leg up. Make sure that red dot, red dot, red dot. Right there. Long screw with a washer. Let's open the washers up here. Put it right here in the corner. Start that by hand. Another washer. Get that one started by hand. This is where this angled Allen wrench really comes in handy. Okay, that is as tight as that one is going to go, and it's going to strip out. I think I am going to actually drill these holes out a little bit so that this fastener fits in a little better. These holes are too narrow and I'm fighting the wood. Let's go get a drill real quick. So I got all the legs put in. Let's go ahead and put these cross braces in. I left the legs a little loose so I could fit these in a little bit easier with a little persuasion. Hey, while I'm putting this stool together, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like this video or some of my others. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, last step, these little teeny wood plugs that come with it go in these little holes and persuade them in. A little hammer or a mallet if you got one. But I found that if you just press them in, they don't stay. So you can see here our kitchen table only seats 4, but with these new bar stools, I can seat 5 or 6 or 7. And if I pick up another one, 8. Nice expansion there. We also have a peninsula bar in our kitchen. Nice addition right there. Sit at the bar and have breakfast or coffee while someone is cooking. And when we are not using them, they make awesome end tables in our little formal living room. And I have the other one over here. It's a nice landing spot for my keys and my wallet. When I come in the door, I know where it's at. So these stools were actually a little bit harder to put together than I anticipated. The hardware is not of the highest quality and wanted to strip on a regular basis. And as you saw, I had to actually drill out the holes to make the fasteners go in a little easier. That's a hint for if you buy one of these and you want to put it together. And Winsome, if you're listening to me, take a look at the diameters of those holes. 1/4 inch or 3/16 is where you want to shoot for. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you do, ring that bell for notifications. I've got some videos over here you may be interested. Subscribe button's right there. Thanks for watching. Dad it yourself.